Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert Instagram logo in Word. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Google and type Instagram logo. Click on the images and click on the tools and select the usage right to Creative Commons licenses. So click on first Instagram logo, then right click and save images and save it on the desktop as a PNG image. Click on save. Go back to the desktop, and for example you want to place the logo here. You need to place the cursor over here, then click on the insert and click on the picture and click on this device. Go to the desktop and select the Instagram logo. Click insert. Now you can resize it by dragging this white point like this one, and you can rotate it from here, this rotate handle. When you try to move it on the page, it is not moving. For this you need to click on this layout option and click on the tight or square. Now you can move it anywhere on the page. So this way you can easily insert Instagram logo in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.